Okay. Let me first of all talk about expansion. When the question says to expand, it means to remove the brackets. Okay? This is the meaning of expansion. Alright? Now, on the textbook, there are some distributive law, okay, that I'm going to show you later. Okay, now, what is the opposite process of expansion? It's called factorize or factorization. Now, I think you saw in my video, there are 4 methods for factorization. Okay, to be done right now, first one is common factor. Second one is grouping. Third one is cross method. Very good. Difference of 2 squares. Now, for this year, we are just going to learn common factor. Okay? And this common factor will be combined with quite a number of them. It just not mean that all of them are stand alone. Sometimes there can be 2 methods in one. You understand? I will go through with you next year when I'm going through the topic. Is that understood? Now, this is the expansion that I want to perfect it first. Okay? Alright. All of you, look at page 107. They say, example 4, expand each of the following expressions. Now, I'm going to do it over this side. Okay? I want everybody to look carefully at what if I expand? Now, if I have 6x minus 2, the 6 will belong to the whole bracket.
Yes.
Agree? We have to distribute it up. All of you listen. 6 times x is what? 6x. 6 times minus 2. Minus 12. Then we have expanded. Understand? Okay? Now, I want to know if someone write like that, is the person correct? What have this person done? It's not common mistake in exam. They just multiply this one, they never care about this one. You must distribute to each and every one in the bracket. Everybody clear with what I'm saying? Okay? And this one is different from this one now. Can you see that the bracket makes a difference? Yeah? So in exam, don't anyhow bracket. Understand now? Okay, next question that I'm going through. Okay. Look up, because students are confused when there are a lot of letters and a lot of numbers. Minus 3 times 4. Yes, negative 12x, right? Next one is important. What's negative 3 times negative y? Plus 3y. Can you see negative and negative give you positive? You must be very careful. Because if I set this in the exam, right, a lot of people will still keep minus. They forgot the 4 rules. Do you understand what I'm talking about? When you bring in, you must be very careful. Okay? Next one. Okay. Now, can you see that this bracket only belongs to negative here?
Yes.
Does it belong to 7?
No.
No. Okay. So, what is negative a times negative 5x? Positive 5ax. Understand? Okay, you go like that. Then you go to the next one. What should it be? Negative what? Az, right? Negative az. Can you see? Now, any like terms here? No, so no need to combine. Understand? Can or cannot? Now, I want to ask, if someone write like that, is it different from the original one?
Yes.
Yes, this one, there's nothing we can do about it. It's already simplified and there's no brackets. Can you see it? Yes or no? Yes, Okay, good. So that is your example 4. 7 minus 8 times this. So it's just this one times this, the 7 is alone. Correct? It's just like 7 minus 2 times 14. Which one do you do first? 2 times 14 first. So you must do this one first now. Correct? Or? Remember I said a letter is just an unknown number. Okay? So this one becomes 7. Am I right? So what's minus 8 times minus 5x? It's a positive 5ax, right? Then when I multiply this, it's negative az. Understand? So it's just the same as this. Look up. Maybe minus 2 times 5, okay? So what do? 7 minus 10 now? So you multiply like this. Understand what I'm saying? Okay? So I'm using numbers to help you see. Are you okay? Alright, huh? Alright, next question. Example 5. Now, we have more difficult expression. Okay, I want all to look at the board. Okay, look at my bias on this one talking over there. Okay, look at my board here. Now, what is the first thing I do? Negative 3 and x. What does it give me? Negative 3x. Then what is this? Negative 6y. Alright. Now, you can draw arrows. But if it becomes very big, right, your arrows is very confusing. I think you saw in my video, I asked you to put your fingers there. Right? Then you can see. Of course, I cannot put my fingers here. This is very large. My fingers are not big enough. But your A4 paper, you can put your fingers there. Okay? Now, then look at the next one. What is negative 4 times x? Negative 4x. What is negative 4 times negative 1? Positive 4. Now, I want to look at this second line. Can you see that there is very likely to make a mistake here and very likely to make a mistake here? Because you forgot to check. Is that understood? Okay? One thing about algebra is you must always remember positive and positive is positive. Plus minus is what? Minus. Minus plus? Minus. What about minus and minus? Plus. Must remember. Okay? Now, this one, we cannot leave it alone. Okay? Because we must simplify the like terms. Negative 3y, negative 4, sorry, negative 3x, negative 4x, negative 7x. Am I right? Then, minus, resultant, what's the result? Negative 2y, right? Can you see it now? Now, if you cannot do it mentally, what should you do? Key in negative 6 plus 4. You will have a negative 2. Am I right? If you can do it, that means you owe people 6. Then you have 4. The result is you still owe 2. Understand? I talk about money, you should know. Am I right? Yes or no here? Yes. Okay, now the next one is important. And I want everybody to pay attention over here. Okay? Because we have a lot of brackets down here and we must be careful. Okay, all of you look up here. I don't want you to look at the text. Now, some people are here in their body, but they are not here in spirit. Okay? They don't care about what I'm saying. They just anyhow do, anyhow do. Alright? If that's going to do anything, you're going to fail the test. You're going to fail the exam. Okay? Now, remember your primary school, you must do the innermost bracket first, right? Try not to do everything all together. All done. This will be 5y minus 2 bracket 3z first, right? This is the first bracket I must do. What's minus 2 times y? Minus 2y. What is this? Negative 6z, right? Correct. Now, of course, you say you want to multiply out. Can. No problem. But can you see I can simplify first? Inside the bracket. So I will have 5y minus 2. What is 3z minus 6z? Negative 3z. Good. Then negative 2y, right? Okay, now next. This is 5y. What about this? your friends write 6z plus 9y, is the person correct?
Yes.
Yes. It's just a rearrangement. We told you, rearrangement doesn't matter. Are we clear about this? Are we clear about this? Okay, good. Alright? Now, factorization, sorry, expansion means what? We take in the numbers, right? Okay? This is called factorization. Sorry, this is called expansion. Rewind over again. This is called expand. Expand means remove the brackets. Okay, now if you look at page 107, they have two rules for you over there. Okay? Now, they have this. Now, I think this one is easier than what we had just now. What is A times B? AB log. This one is AB plus AC. Easy? You just multiply it. Okay? But it's the next one that I'm worried about, that you will have your signs wrong. Now, when it's a negative, it means actually it's a negative divisible one, right? Correct. But must you write the one there? No need, so you don't need to write. So, what's the answer here? Negative x, negative y. Correct. Negative x, negative y. Negative x and negative y is not negative xy. It's not. Negative x times y, that is negative xy. You see? You understand? If negative x plus negative y, this one must be simplified. This is what nonsense I'm talking about. You cannot write like that, this is not simplified. Alright? Okay, now next. Can you look at the next one? How do I write this? Negative x, right? What about here? Plus y. Can you see there's a difference here? Everybody clear? So, whenever you expand, you must make sure that the signs are correct. If not, you're in trouble. Is everyone clear with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, good. Now, I am done with expansion. Okay? I am done with expansion. Alright? Now, I'm going on to two more exercises that I'm going to show you how to factorize. Now, factorize is the opposite process of expand. Okay? Now, I don't want people to copy. I want people to look at the book. Okay? Okay. I don't want people to talk. I say 10 times to you, okay? Alright. All of you look at example 6. 8x plus 12. The question is to call factorize. Now, can you tell me 8 and 12? What is the highest common factor I can take out? 4, right? Can you see I can take out 4? Okay. So, 4 bracket. If I take out 4, this one left out. 2x, right? Plus what? 3. Alright. Now, how do you check you're correct? If I multiply in, I must get the answer. But please don't go and do this, Then after that, like that again. Then after that, like that again. Then you are doing rubbish. You understand? Factorize means to put into factors like that. Understand? And then you must take out the highest common factors. Everybody clear? Now, let me show you something that I'm going to tell you. This is very important. Look at what. Some people might not see 4. They can see 2. Alright? All of you look up. This is important. 2. So what will I have? 4x plus what? 6. But can you see inside still got common? What is common still? 2, right? 2 when you take out, you multiply. factorization. You must take out everything. That is called complete factorization. Are you clear with what I'm saying here? Yes or no? Yes, huh? Okay, very good. Next question. I want all of you to look at the board now, huh? Okay. Now, I wish to rewrite this. Can I write it as that? Are they the same? Are they still the same? Yes. Okay. First, we look at the numbers. Is there anything I can take out? I can take out 4, right? Okay. What's the letter I can take out? A. So I can take out 4A, right? So what is left here? Y minus what? 6 what? Z. Understand? Whatever you have taken out can appear again. Understand what I'm talking about here? Okay. Let me just show you one more thing. What to look up? AB minus B. What can I take out? A. B. Okay. B. What do I have? A minus what? B take out already. That one. This is a 1. Not 0. Because B times 1 is B. Can you see it? A lot of people make this mistake. They take out means nothing already. That's bullshit. Do you understand? Wow, Shazad suddenly I said bullshit, you wake up. Okay, now, all of you look up again. I give you another one. What will pick up? Okay. N and Q. Bracket what? And then you pick up already. That's what? 1 minus what? And then Q come out already. That's what? Just 1 Q, right? Because Q times Q is Q square now. Don't come and tell me leaf square. You're rubbish head, are you? Where got leaf square one? You understand what I'm talking about? What's the... Don't let me laugh at you, okay? What's the meaning of B square? Tell me. B times B. It's not B and then 1 square down there. Okay? That's called absolute rubbish. Okay, then I ask you. Wow, this class is terrible. Come. P cube, I show you now, you better listen, Hey, can you see? I'm very angry already. Take out what? P or A. Maximum take out what? P square. Can you see common to both? Maximum. That's why we do LCM and CM. You must know index notation. This one, take out 1 P already. That's what? This one just like P, right? Because this one multiply must be this one. What about here? All come already. That's what? 1. Better now? Better now? Can see, right? Okay? Must practice. Until you say first round, you can get it. Understand? Okay, now next example. Next example, I don't want people to talk about. Please be a rough shot. Okay, minus 20b plus 15by minus 10bz. Now, usually when there's a plus and minus, we try to rearrange the plus in front. All of you look up. I say already, if you think your tuition teacher can do a better job than me, then you need not come to school already, right? But I know what is in the syllabus. Do you understand? Look at me now. 15by minus 20b minus 10bz, right? Is it the same? Yeah. I try always to put the positive in front. It's called rearrangement. Okay. First of all, numbers. Is there anything I can pick up? I say numbers. 5. Okay. What about letters? B. Can you pick up Y? Only B, Okay. Left what? 3Y, right? Follow? 4. Just 4. Just B came out already. Left what? 2Z. Can see it? That's why you must do it slowly. You must not rush, or else it will become a problem. Is that understood? Now, expansion, as you can see, is easier than factorization. But expansion is very easy to make mistake because of the plus and the minus sign. Do you understand what I'm talking about here? Okay, alright. Now, next, I want you to take out your notebook. I'll give you some more examples. All of you take out your notebook. I don't want people to talk, I say 10 times. Okay. Go first, tell me, factorize what to take out. 5. Okay. Left one. 2x plus 5. Check inside the bracket. Anything common? No more. So let's complete. Everybody clear? Take out this first one. I say right down in the notebook. Okay, next. 18 and 12. What's the common factor? 6. If I take out 6, what is left? 3, right? Then minus 1. 2, 1. That's like that. 2x. Can you see? Are you getting better at it? Yes? Huh? What page? You have a page, you just read and copy. Because by the time what page you look at the page, you won't listen to it. Okay? Part C. Okay. Numbers can take out. Take out what? 7. Okay. Letters? A. Okay. So I take out 7A. Left what? 3 minus 2y. Can you see? Are you getting better? Okay, huh? Alright, good. Next one. I give you some time. Try to go. Can you tell me numbers can take out? Take out what? 3. Okay. Letters? A. Okay. So I take out 3A. You must know what to do with it, right? What's that? 11 what? X plus 9 plus 1. Better now? Better now? Okay, huh? Alright, next one. Factorize this. Oh yeah. What is the number maximum that I can pick up? Number? 8. 9. 6. Do you know that I can pick up 8? Okay. Does it matter if you take out long in? No, later you take out a right? Okay. Now, I give you the correct one first, okay? You take out 8 in. Left one. Why you equal that? X. So much. 3, 1. Okay, forward. Better than you get out X, right? By mistake, sorry. let's do it again. 18x. So left one. 1 minus 3y plus 1. Is that right? Can you see it? Okay. Now I'm going to show you now over here what is happening. Let's say you don't know. Just now some people tell me 6, some people tell me 9, right? Correct now? It doesn't matter in exam. All of you can mean please. All of you can mean. Let's say you think it's 9, okay? I'm talking to you. Let's say you think it's 9. It's okay. 9x. Alright? So this one will give me 2, right? Minus this one will be 6. 6y, right? Then 9 so what? 4z, right? But can you see 2, 6, and 4? I can still take out 2. So if I take out 2, I multiply here. So what is it? 18. So 1, 3y, 2z. Ultimately it's the same. Even if you take out 6, it's the same thing. It doesn't matter. You can also take out 3. It doesn't matter. But finally, it must be this one. If not, it's called incomplete factorization. Are you all clear with what I'm saying here? Okay. Next example. Okay. Next one. Okay, this one I'm going to teach you. Hello? Can you see there's a mixture of plus and minus? Usually we rearrange first. Put the plus in front. Okay? So what do we have? 13xy minus 10x minus 50xz. Okay. What is the maximum number I can take out? 10. Very good. What is the letter that I can take out? X. What is left here? First one. 3y. Okay, then minus 1, then minus 5z. Read. You can see it. Are you better now? You are better now, huh? Okay. Now, I'm going to show you example 7, which is different from this. Okay. This one is important. This one no need to copy because I'm going to give you some more to try. Now, can you see these two in red? They are written on the board. Can you see I cannot put as something positive. Everything is negative. Can you see it? Can you see it? I'm talking to the boss. Okay. Now, if everything is negative, you can take out a negative 3, right? What is left here? 2x, right? Because negative take out already. Now, if negative take out already, so become what? Positive, right? What is here? 5. Can you see it? How do I know I'm correct? I'll look up. What is negative 3 times 2? Negative 6. What is negative 3 times 5? Negative 15. You must get back to original. Is that clear? Now, let me ask, how is this different from this? This one got one what? Positive, so you can put it in front. It's easier to factorize like that. Let me put it clear. As long as there's a mixture of plus and minus, usually you just take out plus. Understand? But if they're all minus, you take out a minus. Okay, now, then you practice this one. Take out negative 1. 6, 24 Good. Now, I want you to practice this, okay, in the notebook for me. And on Wednesday, I'm going to go through it. Is that clear to everyone here? Okay? Come on, I'm going to write on the board now. Okay, I want everyone to listen to me. Because there are 2 days, right? Today and tomorrow. I will see you on Wednesday. I want practice now 7 A, B, C, D in a notebook. Let me finish first. Exercise 4B, 1, 2, 6, 7, 10. Okay? In the notebook. I'm going to go through it on Wednesday. Then I'm going to give you the homework for 4B. Understand? Then on Thursday, I'm going to start 4C. Understand? The last section. And on Thursday, what time am I starting? 12:10. Is that okay? Yeah. Everybody to come here at 12:10. Is that clear? Okay. You don't stop working. My time is not up yet. What time out already? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Go first, go first. Don't be so excited. Don't run away. You do not run away. Stop the video.